So we just wrapped up our XRP trade and now we're gonna look at the fantastic opportunity to jump into here instead. Currently, we are shorting two meme coins here at massive profits. We're looking 56% profits and we got Tipcoin ETH at 42% profits. This is looking absolutely fantastic. In a future video coming up here next on the YouTube channel, I'm gonna explain exactly what we're gonna do with these trades, if we're gonna continue to hold the downtrend or whatever is going on. But in this video, we're gonna talk about a great opportunity being lined up here. We just closed our XRP trade and we just took profits from our Bitcoin long. Bitcoin is kind of looking like it's reversing. It has started to happen on the 2-hour time frame and it is kind of trailing this downtrend here. Now, I know this is not the best indicator, but it just got denied and almost formed sort of like a double top. If we look at the 4-hour time frame, it's a little bit like a double top. It's a super fast double top, but it definitely got denied really hard and couldn't even make another bounce. It tried, it failed. Now it's being sent into a downtrend. On the 4-hour time frame, it is still in an uptrend. On the 3-hour time frame, it's still in an uptrend, and on the 2-hour one, it's starting to reverse into a downtrend. We could be super early to an amazing trade here. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. We're not gonna short XRP right now because the amount of money that we could make shorting XRP could be either just like 10% or something less than that. There's not a lot of profit in XRP. It could be a good trade for a good chunk of money if you have that. But we want to get bigger percentages because right now we're doing the $100 trading challenge. We're starting off with 100 bucks and turning it into as much money as possible just to prove a point here on YouTube that anyone can make it. Currently, we have doubled our money in 11 days. So that is some pretty good gains right there. And we're going to continue to do so. So what are we actually going to do? We're going to head over to BNB. Let's have a look at this right here. And that is what BNB is looking like right now. We have a support/resistance level right here on 220. And we have a support level here on the 200. Very clear. BNB actually converted into a strong downtrend. I mean, it has bounced up and down quite a bit here, but it is now in a strong downtrend for the 4-hour time frame. On the daily, in a super strong downtrend, it could not break through. It got denied really hard here. Just look at this. It's very clear. It of course could break out, but it would have to do so in combination with Bitcoin. So just within a few days, we're looking at within 5 days, BNB will either break down or break up. But since Bitcoin is kind of heading into a downtrend, most likely it's going to break down, meaning this is a fantastic opportunity to short BNB. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to do it with quite a bit of money. I'm thinking we're going to do like 75-ish%. If you have a big part of your portfolio in here trading, I would not do it with this amount of money. This is the perfect opportunity to short BNB right here. Within a couple of days, it will probably break down together with Bitcoin, especially if Bitcoin breaks down. It's a perfect opportunity, so we're going to go ahead and short BNB. Let's head over to MEXC in this case, but you could also open a short on BYBIT. That works perfectly fine as well. So we got BNB right here. It tried to break down, but it actually bounced up, which is the perfect opportunity to put in a short because it's probably going to turn down once again. We're going to take a big part of our $100 challenge money, like 75% or even more. We could do 100%, but you guys got to remember, if you got a bigger percentage of your portfolio in here, I would not trade with that chunk basically and trade with it. So I would take a smaller percentage. But in this case, let's do just one BNB trade, 2x short, and we do a stop loss. I'm going to start the stop loss at 30%. We're going to open the short. We're going to confirm. I'm heading over to the daily time frame here to adjust our stop loss, but we have our trade in right now. This is the perfect opportunity to adjust this here. We're going to move it up so it does not accidentally get triggered. If we move it up to like 250, that's probably a really good point, but it could still bounce a little bit above that as well. Looking here at our trade, we can see that our liquidation price is $311 on BNB, which is quite unlikely that it's going to reach. And that's why we're only trading with 3x and similar, because we play the long game. We're here to make money over time. We're not here to gamble. Zooming out, we can see that our stop loss, I moved it up a little bit and we're going to position it in a place so it does not easily get triggered. So the $250 support line right here that we're looking at is really, really far up, but that is around where we want to put it. Looking at this peak right here, 260 would actually be a really good point. So if it hits 260, it's most likely going to break out. If we want to be really, really safe, 265 is a good point, but that would mean we would lose 50% of that trade in one trade. That is pretty scary. But if we can put it at 265, we can sleep well at night. We will definitely keep track of this trade every day to see what Bitcoin does if it continues to break down into a downtrend. But now we have our fat BNB trade in here for the $100 challenge. If this goes really, really well here, we could be looking at doubling our money within 2 weeks once again. That is really amazing. So that is all for this. Our BNB trade is in, the short is in, the stop loss is in. Now we can sit back, relax, make some money. I'll keep you guys up to date. We have the Telegram trading group that you can join for free as well. All you got to do is be my BYBIT affiliate, which is free to join. You just click the link and join, and then you can join the Telegram group. It's as easy as that. I'm not selling any course or anything like that. I just want to do my trades online here with you guys. It's something fun that I like to do in the morning before I start working and making some real money. I'm going to continue tracking all of these trades here on YouTube, in the Telegram group, and on Twitter. That's basically what I enjoy doing here in the morning before I head off to work to run some companies. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.